This video will show you how to set up your recruitment tool. This will allow you to create detailed job positions, launch the recruitment for some of them, and manage the recruitment process while receiving new applications. Install the Recruitment Process apps by ticking the option in the Human Resource settings. Apply it. Now we have to create the different job positions. First, create the functional consultant position. It will be in the support department, and Clara, the HR manager, will manage the process. Here, you can specify a specific email alias different than the general one to receive directly the application for this specific job position. Let's set, for example, functional job. Here, you can at any time monitor the number of current employees in this position. We will set 2 expected new employees to be hired. Select the default recruitment form, and we are ready to launch this job position for recruitment. This will change the status of the job position, and you can now add a job description or some requirement. Save it, and let's create now the second job position that we will call technical consultant in the same department, always with the HR manager. The email alias will change, of course. And we will also expect 2 new employees. Select the recruitment form. You can modify this default recruitment form or create a new one as you like, thanks to the marketing module. This form will help the recruiter to handle the interview, for example, by printing it out and to use it during the interview. Come back and we can save it as well. Under the job position now, we can see only one job position because its status is equal to recruitment in progress. We can see the other one by removing the filter. We can see the job position of Nick Hausen that is already taken, and we can see the 2 that we just created, and you can launch directly here the technical consultant position. From here you can directly access the recruitment process stages by clicking on the job position. Here you can easily add a new column to adapt this process. For example, I would like to add a knowledge step in order to test the applicant. You can specify it to a department or let it general if empty. Pay attention to the option Use Template, as it allows you to automatically send emails when an application is set to this stage. For example, an approve mail or a refuse mail. Let's save it. The new stage has been automatically set at the end of the stages. You can easily drag and drop it, for example, between the first interview and the second interview stages. Now, as an applicant, I will write to apply to this job position. For example, anyone can do it by writing at this email alias. So, for example, this email has been provided through job website. So let's say that I'm Thomas and I want to apply to the technical position. I will write a body. Hello. And of course, you will attach to it your cover letter and CV. Send it. Back to the job position from view, you can refresh the from view and you can see that an application arrived with 2 documents attached. If you click on the Smart button on the upper right, you arrive in the gangbang view and you can begin to move the application step by step.